Today I'm going to show you two ways to make this knockout text effect using Canva. After opening new Canva project, let's use any shape. Let's use this heart. Let's change the color and go to text and type your text. Let's change the font. Change the color to white color and duplicate this page. Go to the second page and change the text to red color and go to layer and send to back and change the heart to white color and download the second page. Go back to the first page and upload the image that we make. Adjust the size to fit the page and remove the background. And if you don't have Canva Pro, you can use another method. You can download the first page as well. And let's drag both of them to this page. And go to apps and type blend image and use this app and choose the image with the heart in the white color first and go to top layer, use it in top layer and click in the second one and use it in the bottom layer and go to blend mode and choose multiply. Click add to design and here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.